thank you for tuning in to today's video. So there is no long intro. We are jumping straight into the product. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Hit that like button and leave a comment down below. So as you can see, I did go ahead and prime today with the Juno & Co. Moonshine Miracle Cream. I also did go ahead and spray the face with my Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1. This is the replenishing primer and setting spray. So just wanting to make sure that our face is moisturized and primed before we go in with powder. And beautiful shade, by the way. Love the coverage. I am here for this. Spoiler alert, I love it. And this has definitely made me a believer with powder foundation alone. But let's go ahead and jump into the rest of the video. right, you guys, so we're outside, natural lighting. Doesn't honestly look too bad. I am very happy with this product so far. So I am about to go to the grocery store, put on my mask, and then I will check in with you guys to see how that holds up under the mask. So I'll be right back. All right, you guys, so that is it for today's video. So I've had this on honestly for about 2.5 hours. I did just come back from the grocery store, so I obviously had on my mask and everything still looks intact. I did notice a little, you know, my oils are starting to peek through on the side of my nose, but that's honestly, that's expected. 10 out of 10. I highly recommend this powder. And again, I picked mine up in the shade 330W. So this is the shade that I use in their Camo Cc Cream. So that is my best recommendation to you, is to get the exact shade that you would in the Camo Cc Cream in the powder. But I am very, very much so pleased. Again, I've said it before, I've never used just a powder foundation by itself. So this was definitely a first for me, and I am not mad at it at all. I know you're probably also wondering, where are my lashes? I honestly think that what I need to start doing is just wearing lashes like on the outer parts of my eye. I know that that's something that's going around on TikTok. It's more of like a natural beauty type of thing. But for some reason, I only get irritated and watery in the inner corners. So I walked out of that grocery store and I just like took them off. I couldn't even do it. What I also feel helps with the application of powder foundation, I used my Juno & Co. Moonshine Cream. And then if you saw in the beginning of the video, I also sprayed with my Too Faced. This is the Hangover 3-in-1 Replenishing Primer and Setting Spray. So some type of primer, water, primer spray, and then making sure that your face is moisturized. I feel like that helped a lot with the application. And then also using the like the powder puff. So the powder puff that I use, I found those on Amazon. I will link those down below as well if you just would like to have them. Or I think I got like a 10-pack of them for $10 or something. I know they have 12 for $7.99, something like that. But that, to me, that powder puff worked really well with this foundation, this powder foundation. So again, you guys, go ahead and pick it up. Again, this was on Ulta. For some reason, it still wasn't available on e.l.f.'s website. I'm not sure what's going on with them releasing it or why they are waiting. But yes, Ulta has finally released all of the shades that they will have. So definitely go pick this up. Like, this is something that I would definitely repurchase. So I can't wait to also use this and play with this over my liquid foundation, because I do like to set, you know, make sure the rest of my face is set and locked in with a powder foundation. But again, that is it, you guys, for today's video. I hope you truly enjoyed. Sorry about the, you know, my kiddo, but with it just being me and him at home during the day, the older boys are at school, so he kind of likes to be under me. So if you see him a couple of times, don't just act like you didn't see him. But thank you so much for tuning in. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know what you think about this foundation. And that is all, you guys. Be safe out there. Take care of yourselves, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye.